This video is to explain to you the Technology and Literature project. This project occurs closer to the end of the semester after we have read a lot of different kinds of literature. You have a lot of experiences planning activities to go with children's books. So this is kind of like a culminating project, lets you pull things together. It's also the kind of project that is a lot like a project that you'll do in one of your upcoming literacy courses in the elementary education program. And in that course, you'll actually plan a full unit to teach reading centered around children's literature. So this is kind of getting you ready for that. So this project has two parts, and I should say you can choose whether you want to do the project alone with one other person or with two other people. So it's a limit of 3 people in a group. Either any of those choices are fine with me. Whatever you feel the most comfortable with, the kind of situation that you feel like you work the best in, just know that if you partner with 1 or 2 other people, that you will all receive the same grade. So if you're comfortable with that, that's fine with me. So 2 parts to the project. First of all, the project asked you to identify a theme or a topic, and you're going to locate 3 to 5 children's books that center around that theme or a topic. So a theme might be friendship, family, recycling, protecting the earth. Those are all kind of broad themes. So what you're going to do, like I said, is choose 3 to 5 books to use for your project. And those need to come from at least 3 different genres. So we've talked about genres all semester. You can go to the genre chart in your resource collection packet to see what some examples are, but at least 3 different genres, such as maybe poetry, traditional tale, and a graphic novel. Those would be 3 different genres. So you choose your books, and then for each book you're going to share some information. I'm asking you to use Keynote for this project. If there's another kind of presentation tool you would rather use, just check with me. It's probably fine. But I do want to give you a chance to work with Keynote this semester. So that's probably what I would expect most people will be using. So for each book, you're going to have an image of the book cover, the title of the book, the author. You're going to include on your Keynote slide the genre of the book, the grade level of your unit. I want you to have an opening slide that presents the theme or the topic and gives a rationale for why you chose this theme or topic, why it's important for children to learn about this concept, and then a slide for each of your books, at least one. For your slide where you're going to have the book cover and the genre and a summary about the book, a summary that's written in your own words, then I'm going to ask you to include 2 instructional activities to go with each book. One should be an activity that's done before reading the book. Maybe it's introducing vocabulary, activating prior knowledge, something that gets the kids ready to read. And then another activity that would occur after reading the book. And that might be a culminating activity. Could be an art project, could be music, drama, writing, anything that gets kids extending their learning from the book. Those 2 activities need to be somewhat related, and you're going to explain how they're related in your description of the activities. So you have a pre-reading and a post-reading activity. Each explanation should be about 3 or 4 sentences to explain what it is you're going to have students doing and how it's connected to the book. That's the key, that the activity relates to what's happening in the book. So half of your activities, and you're going to have at least 6 because you'll have at least 3 books, half of your activities need to include some kind of technology. And that's any kind of device that can be plugged in or charged up. That's what we'll count as technology. So that's part 1 of the project. Part 2 asks you to choose just 1 book of your collection and to create a book trailer. And a book trailer is kind of like a commercial for a book, kind of like a movie trailer, which I'm sure you're familiar with. This kind of trailer could be video or it could just be audio, whatever you're more comfortable with. You choose that 1 book, and in your trailer you're going to tell the title and author of the book. You're going to have a catchy introduction to your trailer to kind of hook the audience, get them to watch or listen. Give a summary about the book that's in your own words, and then why you recommend this book. Who do you think might like it? What do you think they might like about it? So your book trailer should be between 2 and 3 minutes max. 3 minutes is real short, just catchy. gives just a good introduction to the book. You can use whatever tool you like to. Some suggestions might be to use iMovie book trailer or iMovie trailer that you have on your iPad. And then you could make a podcast in GarageBand, which also you would have on your iPad. And then a free app that you might try is Telegami, and it's an animation kind of app, and you could use that one. Or if you have something else you want to try, check with me. It's probably fine. Just let me know. So those two parts of the project, and then you'll share those in class at the end of the semester.